Hi guys, welcome back to Dust Not Included. My name's Roy and today we have an Aunt of Mystery Boxing. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, my aunt likes to stop by monthly with a mystery box. She brings the items for me to resell and she always has something amazing. Let's jump right in. Check out this beautiful piece of Fenton Silvercrest milk glass. She just has some beautiful taste, my aunt. I love this, and I just love Silvercrest. But there's not only one in here, there's two. This is a beautiful piece of art glass. It is a bud vase, but check out all of this beautiful white speckled glass and then how it's stretched up to the top. Just beautiful. She is adorable. It is a Napkoware kitty, and check out all of the flowers on the top. They are not broken. Adorable little cat. It is Napkoware. Original sticker. I love her. Oh, this is a beautiful piece of blue glass. It is a wheelbarrow. That is very interesting. I think it's gorgeous, and I can only imagine the decorating possibilities. I love this piece. Check out these cute little guys. They're made in Japan. They are so fun. I just love the smalls like this. So cute for all of your little displays. I love these guys. I've had one of these before. This is an alabaster and brass apple. So this is an alabaster stone, and it has this brass top with leaf. This is gorgeous. I've sold one of these before that I found. I love them. Look at this beautiful blue milk glass hen on nest. It's just gorgeous. This color is stunning. And I don't know if it's picking it up on there, but you can see how clear the glass gets at the edge. Just beautiful. I love it. Such a great size too. Another little Japan figurine piece. Check out this horse. He's all stretched out. I love him. Well, this is just beautiful. This is a Karmark fishbowl stand. A fishbowl would sit right in here, and the little cat looks over into it. I think it would also be really cute as a ring dish or just a sculpture. This piece is fantastic. Check out this wall plaque. It is adorable. It is two-dimensional. Look at him popping off of there. And he's catching the little fish. Hey, I don't think he's supposed to be on top of the island though. I love the background and how it's painted. It is a beautiful piece. I'm gonna have to research that marking. It looks like maybe a Napco sticker. But wouldn't this look gorgeous on a gallery wall to break up some of the pictures? I love it. I love Bohemian glass. Look how beautiful this little purple bud vase is. It has all of this gold gilded paint on here, as well as these hand-painted flowers in enamel. These are just beautiful vases. And I love this purple color. Well, we have one box completed. That went quick. Let's get into what's left of the second box here. Wow, this piece is beautiful, guys. It is a footed, iridescent pot. It's definitely 1920s, and this is all gold gilding on here. I love the colors though. They're so happy and cheery, and this iridescence with it is just beautiful. Check out that shape. I love the shape of this. I don't see any markings, but I am going to have to look this beautiful piece up because it is definitely very special. This is gorgeous. It is a Viking persimmon rose bowl dish from their Epic line. It is beautiful, and I bet it glows. All right, I'm back. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it's too bright in here for me to show you guys the glow. So I'll just include a picture right here. This is beautiful. It just shimmers in the light. It is a crystal paperweight. Look at all of those facets and how it picks up the light. It is also all faceted on the bottom. This is just beautiful. And it does sort of this optic, when you look at it straight on, it kind of has this optic because of the cuts on the bottom. This would look beautiful on a stack of books, on a bookshelf, on your desk. It is just a gorgeous paperweight. And it really picks up the light. Well, guys, we're down to our last piece in the box. Oh, it's beautiful. This is a Fenton large hobnail piece from around 1958. It is a great size, a covered candy dish, covered compote, but it was from their large hobnail line. It's just beautiful. And I love the way it has this scalloped edge and how the dish on the top matches it perfectly. It has a great little finial on top. It is a beautiful piece. Well, that was everything, guys. I just love when my aunt stops by with a mystery box. I hope you guys do too. As always, if you saw something you were interested in, it will be at an upcoming live sale, or you can contact me here at dustnotincluded@gmail.com to see if the item's still available. Don't forget, every Thursday at 6:30, I rotate channels with Janice and we have a live sale. This week will be on Jen's channel, so come check us out. Till next time, guys, have a great day.